Hi guys, it's the end of the week and it's a beautiful sunny day outside. So let's head over to the Brothers Braai Club and we're going to make something special. Guys, come on, let's go! Here we go!
Welcome to the Brothers Braai Club. I'm Franco.
I'm Ruan. I'm going to do a filet mignon in a cast iron skillet over an open fire.
And I'm Arno. I'm going to make us a lovely mushroom and cheese sauce.
Hi, I'm John, and I'm going to do a nice side dish for us, which is pap and a tomato sauce. The pap is a South African staple food, but it's very similar to American grits.
So let's get that fire started.
Cool.
Absolutely.
Gooi die so hieronder. Is jy seker dis wat se naam is? Okay.
So I got this good piece of fillet. This is the most tender piece of meat you can get on the beef. And I'm going to cut it in. I'm going to try to get about 6 medallions out of it, which the cut is going to be about a 1 inch cut. So yeah, let me start to cut these into sections. That's about 6 pieces. I'm going to throw this one back. I'm going to use olive oil to dress it over the beef, to make the salt and pepper stick well, and it gives a little bit of flavor to the meat. And we got this Cyprian salt, sea salt, which is a very nice salt to use when doing fillets. These little flakes you can see. And the secret thing about, or the thing that works for me, is if you do this 30 minutes before you put it on the fire, because if you leave it like 2 hours, it's going to taste too much salty. And yeah, I just felt that the way I've been doing it works for me. So you can have your own preference that you use. Yeah, but we'll see what the brothers thinks about my method. Okay, get some pepper on those. I think that's gonna do the trick. We put it back into the bowl, so you can see a nice proper filet mignon fillets that we cut into nice pieces, 1 inch pieces, ready for the grill. So now next up, John is gonna do the pap.
So guys, I'm going to get started on the pap. The pap is a real easy thing to make. It's basically water, you add a little of salt and you add the pap. And then you have to simmer it for about 20 minutes. So let's get started on that. So first you can see this pot is real hot. I want that water boiling. There we go. I take about a tablespoon of salt. Just gradually add the pap. Keep them all that. So you kind of add the pap. If you want it thicker, you add more. If you want it a bit more loosen up and sloppy, then add a little bit less. We like it a bit thicker, so I'm going to add a lot. And you just mix everything together. There you go. So you can see it's a very nice thick consistency. So put the lid on and let it rest for 20 minutes. Okay guys, just check on it every like 2 or 3 minutes. Give it a good stir. Get there at the bottom so you make sure it doesn't burn. That's perfect. Okay, so next up is the sauce. It's a real simple sauce. It's basically you fry up an onion, you add some garlic, and I add a can of chopped and peeled tomatoes, and I also add tomato paste, and you let that simmer for about 20 minutes, 10 to 20 minutes, and then it's ready.
I'm gonna do mushroom and cheese sauce for us. I'm gonna start out by chopping up the mushrooms.
So the skillet is very hot now, so let's get this guys on there.
Hey Ron, you did an excellent job. Franco, let's cut these steaks and show the people what it looks like. John, dish up a plate and we'll show the guys what it looks like, a proper filet mignon with pop.
So my pop came out perfect. There we go.
Guys, let's give this steak a test. It's definitely rich from all the butter, but it tastes fantastic.
It's delicious.
Guys, thanks so much for watching this video, and be sure to subscribe to our channel. And if you like this video, remember to smash that like button, and it will help us with the YouTube algorithm so more people can see our video. Thanks so much, and until next time.
Bye guys.
Welcome to the Brothers Braai Club.
Today I'm going to do a filet mignon on a cast iron pan on the open flames.
Fire.
Skillet, fire.
Ek het geflip met kortjies.